simple bobby pin. Let's DIY it. So using a net fabric and cutting it with 13 centimeter length and around 6 centimeter breadth. Okay, now measuring it, now folding it like this and making like it like a bow shaped, and sewing it with hand sew, and just sew the like so, and take another piece of fabric and fold like so, and sew it again like the first one, and take a bead. You can skip it also. You can take whatever color bead. I'm taking white color, and now do the instruction as shown, and sew it like that. Do the instruction like shown, and your decorate ready. Now apply it in your hair. Ta-da! Bye bye.